All right, guys, March 13th, we are out here on our second job of the day. Again, we rarely do 2 jobs today. Actually, next week, we got a few days we're doing 2 jobs, but it's just the busy season. I actually just booked a consultation based off pictures in Southwest Atlanta for the 26th of this month. So I have one more slot available for this month. I also just had a potential client just pay for a in-home consultation for this Saturday in Kennesaw. Engineered floors. He said he had like 2 companies that told him they did not feel comfortable sanding those floors because if that drum sander goes through those floors, it's done. So anyway, what we're doing on this job, client, again, I never came out here and looked at it. They sent me pictures, also the square footage. This is another service that we offer, but I want to be stepping this service up to another notch. This is the basement concrete floors. A lot of people move into these homes and the basements have what we call that Georgia red clay, and it just makes the basements dirty. People love to store stuff down here and they don't want to put things on the floors while they're dirty. So what we're doing, guys, is just a simple cleaning the concrete at $1 a square foot. But I'm also going to start recoating, okay, basement concrete floors, because Georgia has a lot of unfinished basements. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. We're in this beautiful home out here in the Brookhaven area. So I got Tavares vacuuming first. He's just vacuuming all the dry dirt. And then what we got, our portable setup. I've already did my water and my chemistry. So we're just gonna rinse these floors, clean them really good. Again, when most people find me for this service, it's usually they see the videos on YouTube. So again, we're just removing the dry soil, as you can see. And I'm going to start extracting these floors. But again, we're going to start also screening and recoating these concrete floors. My partner at ProCoat, they have a finish that we can put on these floors and bring these floors, give them some life and also some good protection. All right, guys, stay tuned. Huge difference. Yeah. You come on in. Yeah. Okay, right. It's just concrete. You ain't gonna hurt it. So.
Oh man. Yeah. This definitely is.
That's what you needed.
That's what we need. Yeah, because you saw it was a lot of red clay.
Yeah, all that red clay, man. That's what Georgia's known for. Well, you from Atlanta? Yeah. That Georgia red clay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, thank you guys so much.
Yeah. No, thank you. This is awesome. Yeah, this is exactly what we were looking for. So this is great.
Awesome. All right. Well.